Finally, a hair dryer I feel like I can travel with. This hair dryer is so lightweight. It's really fast, and the best part about it is not even that noisy. So all you do is turn it on, and it do show you the colors as far as the temperature, if you see that, and the detachables. The detachables are magnetic, so that they easily snap on. And here's another detachable. It's magnetic, it just snaps on. When I say this is very lightweight, and again, I really feel like I can travel with this. It blow dries your hair really fast, and the plus sign is that it's quiet. It's quiet, but it is powerful. And drying time is cut in half. So, this seemed like something you want, then click the orange card to purchase.